What is up, guys? Is Ola Treats here, and it's been a while that I post a full video on trading, probably months now. But I know that I've been posting my trades, but I haven't been analyzing any of those trades on the channel. But today I'm going to talk about a trade that I'm anticipating. Though I've been on my watch list, I have I think 6 instruments I'm watching, but I'll be talking on one of them today, and that is Jump10. So basically, I just want to tell you what I anticipate for the month, the coming next month, or maybe next 2 weeks, or some days to come by. So without no further ado, I will start. So you know how I do it. I always do my top-down analysis, analyzing from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. Then we get on with the markets. We take our entries, our confirmation entries from the lower time frame. So basically, let's go to the monthly time frame of these markets now. On the monthly time frame of these markets, well, what can we see? On the monthly time frame, I'm sorry if we will be hearing background noises. I'm sorry about that. So on the monthly time frame of this market, we have seen that we had an evening star in the last weekly zone that was rejected in the past, and that was like I think 5 months ago, and we had an evening star. So basically, in my own mind, on the monthly time frame, when we look at candlestick patterns, we're expecting evening star that at least the next 3 months should be guaranteed that we are going to be having a bearish trend. And as you can see, the 2 months that followed after that evening star was bearish, which is January and February of this year. So should we be expecting the same thing in March? To find answer to that, let us look at the trend line or the upward trend line that we are seeing, the uptrend on the weekly time frame or the monthly time frame that I've drawn here. As you can see that February rejected that weekly trend line, giving us a wick and not a candle's full body close below that wick. We had a close above that trend line. So that is telling me that there's a rejection there already. So should we be expecting maybe morning star from there, or an evening, or a bullish engulfing candle? I do not know. We can't say what exactly the market wants to do. But as you can see, based on my own perspective, that we have a rejection with a weak closing for that place, and also another weekly zone has been rejected as well, plus the uptrend trend line that I drew there has been rejected. We have two confirmation telling us that this market is done with that downtrend, at least maybe for the meantime. So my bias right now will be looking for an uptrend to buy scenarios. That's what my bias will be. So let's go to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, what do we want to see? We want to see candlestick patterns. Chart patterns or candlestick patterns sometimes. And on the monthly time frame, on the weekly time frame, we can see the candlestick patterns that I am seeing is a double bottom. So we know all our candlestick patterns, like morning double top, double bottoms, evening star, morning stars, rising wedge, falling wedge, and so on and so forth. If you don't know more about that, I will post a link below this video for you to find more insights on candlestick patterns. So looking at this candlestick pattern, double bottom, and I have my reasons for that double bottom. As you can see here, that we are likely rejecting the same support level on these, or support zones from this market at the moment. So telling me the reason why I should be looking for buying scenarios right now. So that's basically what I am saying. Though on the weekly time frame, I can see that there's a rejection from the upside, and also um, the last two candlestick that I am seeing here is telling me there's a rejection in the upside, probably indicating a sell scenario. I do not know. But if you look at the immediate last week candlestick closed, you rejected that trend line to the upside. So telling me that there is a reason that I might be looking for what a buy scenario. So daily time frame, I want to be looking at the trend of the market. As you can see, the market has been consolidating for a very long time now, since last month. And as you can see, um, after we finished this massive downtrend, we have been consolidating. And I remember that I post two of my trades that I was selling this market last month. So now the market is consolidating and there's no trade. Though I tried to enter some of those trades along the line when this market was forming, but I ended up being stopped out due to the market starting its consolidation. So I know that this market, since it's consolidating, there's no trade at the moment for me, but I can find an opportunity because I said that I'm looking for buying scenario. So anything I want to be taking in this market is going to be telling me to buy the market. And like I said earlier, when the market has gone with a trend, like we have a massive sell or a massive buy in the market, we should be expecting that when the market is about to rest, the market, when it comes to rest, is going to consolidate for a specific period of time, guaranteed. The market will definitely consolidate, and when the market starts consolidating, because due to past instances, the market, when this market was on the daily time frame, as you can see, when the market was selling from the top side, after it got to some places, it started ranging for a specific period of time because before it continues its downtrend. So right now the market has bled down now, hitting another weekly support zone. So, and we are seeing consolidation at the moment. So what should we be expecting? Should we be expecting a continuation of the downtrend? Probably that's what I will be thinking to do, and that is what normally happens in the market. But based on my weekly bias and also my monthly bias, I will be looking at this market to go back to the upside. As you can see, I will bring up my arrow right now, and as you can see, we are having a trend line that has been taken up on this daily time frame. And if we look at the 4 hours, we are going to see it even more clearly, that we have our first touch there and we have our second touch. So I should be expecting my third touch, and when that third touch happens and I see a candlestick confirmation, I'm willing to buy this market. I might be wrong at the end of the day and the market might stop me out, but I'm willing to take the risk, and my first take profit for that trade will be at the upper side of this ranging market, and my next take profit will be at this daily downtrend trend line that I've drawn in the past that has not been taken. And if we look at the reasons why I should be expecting that this market to go up, I want this market to retest that support level that has been broken and turned to resistance at the moment, in line and coupled with the trend line. That is what I'm expecting this market to do. So I'm expecting a bullish move to the upside. So the scenarios of what is likely to happen in this market is the ranging market that we have right now, the consolidation. We might continue to bleed to the downside, and if that's what happens, peradventure, I will look for selling opportunities, and I will come back to the channel to update you guys. But if, based on my bias that I am looking at the moment, is an uptrend, I will be looking for buy scenarios, and that will be when the third touch of this trend line happens. And let me see if Fibonacci even agree with what I'm even saying to make my confirmation to be 2. And as you can see at the moment, this Fibonacci as well agreed on a daily time frame, because we are actually in the daily zone at the moment, and this market is inside the Fibonacci zone, but I'm willing to let it get to the trend line before I take any decision of trading. And also, if I can see a counter trend line that I can draw, and once there's a breakout of that counter trend line, those are 3 things that have confirmed a buy scenario for me, and I'm willing to take it. I might be wrong at the end of the day, and I might not be wrong, and so that is my bias on this trade. So if you like what my analysis is on Jump10, kindly share, like this video, and even subscribe to this channel to see more of my trade analysis, and even turn on the post notification so that whenever I post a video, you will be the first to know about my video. So till next time, peace out.